Welcome to Hospitality Property School. You are listening to Hospitality Property School with your host, Gerry MacPherson. Welcome to another edition of Hospitality Property School. I'm your instructor, Gerry MacPherson, and today I am going to look at what technology trends to expect in 2018. Every day, new and innovative technology is being developed in order to make hospitality an even more thrilling, bold, and tempting industry. In the 21st century, hospitality properties have technology at their fingertips, and this gives them a world of possibilities. It's all about digitalization. Now, it's all about finding new ways of optimizing the guest's journey and making destinations much more appealing to travelers than they were in the past. Since we're entering into a brand new year, here are some insights into the technology trends that will impact 2018. After all, the key to success in any business, especially in hospitality, is to be one step ahead at all times. Make sure you are prepared for what's to come, and make the most out of what technology throws your way, in order to appeal even more to your guests and to make things easier and faster. Here are 5 of the most hyped tech trends of 2018. Number 1. Virtual reality. Today's travelers have been there and done that, especially the younger generations. Being born in the technological era, are pretty jaded. The virtual reality, though, is something that has the power to arouse imagination and awake the wanderlust in most travelers. Although it's not the most recently developed technology, virtual reality is just starting to be actually implemented in businesses and hospitality properties. Why follow this trend, you may ask? Well, it's important to know that the majority of consumers are highly responsible to visuals, and virtual reality provides a perfect way of experiencing destinations, hospitality properties, rooms, and views prior to a trip without the actual commitment. Virtual reality is set to become an innovative and exciting marketing strategy for hospitality properties, and though not mandatory in any way, it can be a way to spice up things and go the extra mile for the guests and their journey. 2. Energy efficiency everywhere. Whether or not you're a proponent of climate change is beside the point. That adopting cleaner, more efficient electronics and equipment can save your property thousands of dollars or more on your annual energy and utilities bill. Energy savings are no longer solely the domain of fringe appliances or incompatible devices. Just about every operation can be more effectively managed. To name 3, laundry units that more efficiently recycle water, new OLED TVs that cut down on power usage, or smarter thermostats that can better regulate room temperatures. There are also guest-facing savings programs like towel reuse, keycard activative lighting, and carbon offset donations, all of which help to some degree, and more importantly, help people become more accustomed to this new normal. 3. Further proliferation of smart televisions. It used to be that a room TV was designed for the sole purpose of entertainment, via delivery of movies or cable channels. Now, they have more in common with computers, as they can handle all the mandatory viewing experience channels, from broadband to streaming services. In addition to integrating with other room devices, such as the blinds, lighting, or that shiny new smart thermostat. And that's just the start, as now these smart TVs are moving beyond the guest room with a myriad of uses in public spaces, such as replacing signage, acting as in-elevator touchpads, or even serving as lobby wall art. 4. Voice-activated devices. According to Forbes, Voice search is one of the top travel trends of 2018, and we can definitely see why. Just like virtual reality, voice-activated devices do pose a certain challenge, being rather a new concept on the market. But so far so good. Consumers all over the world seem to be relying on these type of devices more and more every day. One simple reason? They make everything easier, faster, and they definitely ease operations. From setting guest alarms, ordering coffee, as well as getting information about weather and traffic. 5. Artificial intelligence. Another key trend that will mark the year of 2018 is artificial intelligence. Operations that, up until recently, required human interaction and the time-consuming ability to learn can now be replaced by an automated form of intelligence. There's no doubt that computers are the future in this regard, since they can store a large variety of data and even mimic human behavior, as the role of chatbots. Such features are more than appealing for the hospitality property industry, which relies heavily on customer service and guest satisfaction. It is still questionable if the actual human interaction will ever be completely replaced, but artificial intelligence is certainly welcomed when we're talking about basic customer support, general questions, and different time zones. Artificial intelligence requires an investment, but in the long run, it can end up saving hospitality properties money. By using a cost-effective, fast, 24-hour type of customer support tool, such as a chatbot, customer satisfaction is guaranteed. It is easy to see why artificial intelligence is one of the most important travel trends of the moment and why it will continue to be so. If you have any stories about technology trends and would like to share, or have any questions or feedback, leave them in the comment section of the show notes. You can find them at keystonehospitalitydevelopment.com/KHDC081. If you have topic ideas, reach out to us on Facebook at facebook.com/KeystoneHDC, on Twitter at twitter.com/KeystoneHDC, or by email at info@keystonehospitalitydevelopment.com. So, as always, let's work together to put heads in your beds. Until next time, have a fun day. This session of Hospitality Property School has come to a close. Be sure to subscribe so as not to miss any hospitality property tactics and strategies that will help you find the success you have always dreamed of. And don't forget to rate and review so we can continue to bring you the best content possible. We will see you next time, right here in Hospitality Property School.